See, in 2001, the Allahabad Kumbh, the Mahakumbh. So I had participated in that. We had a shivet there. And then it was decided that we will do Padyatra from Kashi to Rameshwaram, right? And without any money. Okay? We will go exactly like the Sadhu Mahatmas went, asking for Bhiksha on the way and all. Okay? So then I did that. I completed. So we went through, very difficult areas, through jungles, through, like island places and all, in the interiors. So when I came back, and right from the beginning, because I'm a fan of Mahatma Gandhi, and I have read him also in details, my subject was political science. So I had a feeling that the life is in the villages, and I always had a dream that one day, someday, I'll have a backpack and just go to the villages, different villages, and live with them, live their life, So that dream came true when it was decided that we'll do this Padyatra. So when it was completed, 2 years I still continued with my work. I got export business background. Okay. So I was working with the American and the French companies in the fashion designing and all. So when I came back, that urge was there to go back to those interior places and help the Adivasis, maybe in education or maybe in health or whatever. So there's a organization called Friends of Tribal Society.
Okay.
So I have a friend whose father is the chairman of that company. It's an NGO. So I asked if I can volunteer there. She happened to know Dr. Shama Maitre also. So she told me that that's a very unorganized sector, and interiors may, we'll be going to the jungle areas, and other city girl like you will not be able to accommodate, and blah 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 blah. So I told her, no, I will manage.
And this happened in the year?
2007. Okay. So between 2000, I left my business, like 2002 I finished the Padyatra and all that, and I left all my business, everything in 2004 end. Then I went for the tsunami volunteering,
Okay.
I went to Nagapattinam and I went to Pondicherry and all that to volunteer my services there. So my feeling is that wherever I'm needed, and if I get the call, I should be free to go.
Okay.
So that's why I left, no ties, so that I can be free to go anywhere where the call is.
So was it difficult to leave
No.
all those things
No,
which
no,
you
no,
have
no,
been
no,
doing?
no, not at all.
Okay.
Not at all.
Why so?
Huh?
Why so?
Maybe something inside, I do not know. Maybe it's written for me that I have to. So whatever obstacle, I did not get many obstacles, but whatever little bit, see, for the Padyatra, my parents did not object. Okay. For marriage, I always said no. But I went through the procedure of, okay, you do your duty. I'll see the boys, they see me and all that. But I always used to say no. I tried my best also, to make them happy, to say yes, but I could not. I just could not. So maybe something was written for me separate, So that's what I took it for. So then somebody said, Saraswati baith jati hai uski zaban pe. I told my father, I try my best to say yes, but नहीं निकलता, somehow वो नहीं आ जाता है ना. तो anyway, and वो थोड़ा सा obstacle थोड़ा बहुत हुआ, तो वो मेरा समझाने के तरीके से थोड़ा सा वो समझ गए, So when I went for the Padyatra also, it was okay. And for the volunteering service also, because I was with my Guru Ma, so they said it's okay, okay, I'm going to Himachal Pradesh. When my friend said, no, you go to an organized sector. And before that, I was a member of Chennai Mission also in Delhi, Lodi State, right? So I used to go there for some lectures and Vedant courses, and I've attended some camps also. So I knew about God, but not thoroughly. I had heard about Dr. Didi, a bit from the people who were coming from Sidbari and visiting Delhi Chennai Mission. From there I came to know something about the organization. That was in 2003 when I came here. After that, then till 2007, nothing. Completely forgot. Yeah. So I was totally in the spiritual line. When I left my job and my business and all that, so I was totally into the spiritual thing. We went and fought for Ram Setu also. Yeah, we went to Kanyakumari, we went to Rameshwaram, and then we went on an unshan also for 3 days without any water, without any food. 3 days Anshan, fighting for that. And then for Gangaji also, 21 days of Vas and all that. That we did. Wherever I said, no, wherever India, Bharat bulata hai, I am ready to go. So when my friend told that Dr. Didi is doing this, so why do you want to go to an other? But I insisted on going to the unorganized sector, So anyway, something was decided for me to go to Jabalpur side, MP की side पे वहाँ पे volunteering के लिए. But then the month I was supposed to go, floods came. So then they called that the volunteer was coming, do not send her because floods are coming. So then she says, see, it is written that you have to go to Himachal Pradesh.
Destiny.
Yeah, so the Dr. Didi was coming to Delhi and going to Orissa that time. So she called Dr. Didi and Dr. Didi said, I'm arriving on 2nd June 2007 it was, and I'll come and talk to her. So immediately Dr. Didi said that you go immediately to Himachal Pradesh and start volunteering. So I arrived here on the 9th of June 2007. So I committed myself for a year, okay, to volunteer, whatever. But now it will be 5 years in June 2007. And I have been given community-based livelihood, non-farm and service sector. I'm coordinating that program.
Okay.
And plus like full-time volunteering, whatever anybody guests are coming and all that, because since we are here, all the 24 hours, we stay here only. And so non-farm sector, under that, anything besides agriculture and dairy, whatever a woman does. And so it's kind of an economic thrust given to those activities which a woman can do besides doing her domestic chores and looking after her children and husband, what she can do, what skills she has, inherent skills, to bring them out, to enhance those skills by giving her formal training, by giving her exposure trips to different markets where she can get the raw material, and then doing a strong follow-up for any feedback, for any color combination designing and all that, and then giving her a market link.